Hello everyone, welcome back to Maxim Automation. Today I'm going to discuss one of the examples of widening primitive conversion. Now you must be wondering what it is. When we assign smaller primitive data type values to larger primitive data types, then this process of automatic conversion is called widening primitive conversion. So let's see using an example what do we mean by widening primitive conversion. Let's say I want to print the alphabet letters and I'm using double quotes to treat the letter as string. Now, if I want to combine two letters, then I can use the plus operator followed by the second letter in double quotes. So this will concatenate both the letters and print in the console. Because each letter represents a string and we used plus operator, so this will perform a string concatenation operation. And the output of this will be MA. Now, let's say I want to print a letter again, but this time I'm going to use single quote instead of double quotes, which means now the letter will be treated as a character instead of string. And when I'll run this statement, then it will print the letter M in the console. Now let's say I again want to print more than one letter, but this time I'm going to define letters with single quotes or as a character instead of a string. Also, I'll try to print two different letters by using plus operator, as we did above, using string concatenation. Now, what do you think? What should be the output of this statement? Will it print MA again, as we are getting the output in the very first statement? If your answer is no, then you are right. This is not gonna print MA. It will print 142 in the console. Now you must be wondering why it will give output as 142. This is because when we use single quotes instead of double, then these alphabet letters or characters are converted to integers. This process is called widening primitive conversion. These letters are converted to integer based on their ASCII value. So after the conversion, value for letter M will be 77 and for A it will be 65. When both values will be added, then it will print 142, the sum of both integer values. So whenever you perform computations around characters, then they are converted to integers based on their ASCII value. And this is what we called as widening primitive data type conversion. Here you can see the output of all three statements. I hope you liked it. Please try it by yourself and put your comments in the comment box. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel.